Welcome to this lesson on factoring by substitution. Today, we are going to look at how to handle complex algebraic expressions with ease using a very powerful technique. Sometimes, you will encounter algebra problems that look scary because they have big groups of terms inside parentheses. Substitution is simply a method where we replace that complicated group with a single variable, which we usually call U. This turns a complex problem into a simple one. The key is to recognize the pattern. Look at the expression on the left. It is a standard quadratic. Now look at the one on the right. It looks messy, but notice that the group x plus 2 appears in the exact same spots as the single variable x does in the standard form. If you see the same group appearing twice like this, it is a perfect candidate for substitution. We can break this down into 4 simple steps. First, identify the repeated part and set U equal to it. Second, rewrite the entire equation using U third, factor the new, simpler equation. And finally, step 4 is crucial. Replace U back with the original expression to get your final answer. Let's try an example. We need to factor the quantity x plus 3 squared plus 7 times the quantity x plus 3 plus 12. We can see that x plus 3 is repeated. So, our first step is to let U equal x plus 3. Now we rewrite the equation. Instead of the big groups, we just write U squared plus 7U plus 12. This is much easier to look at. We can factor this just like any other quadratic. We need 2 numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. Those numbers are 3 and 4, so it factors to U plus 3 times U plus 4. We aren't done yet. The question asked us about x, not U, so we take our factored form, U plus 3 times U plus 4, and we put the x plus 3 back in place of every U. Then we simplify the numbers inside the parentheses to get our final result. X plus 6 times x plus 7. Let's look at a harder one. Here we have coefficients both inside and outside the parentheses. We have 2 times the quantity 2y minus 1 squared, minus 5 times 2y minus 1, minus 3. The repeated part is 2y minus 1, so we set U equal to that. This transforms our scary equation into 2u squared minus 5u minus 3. Now we factor 2u squared minus 5u minus 3. We can use the C method. Multiply 2 times negative 3 to get negative 6. We need factors of negative 6 that add to negative 5. Those are negative 6 and positive 1. We split the middle term, group them, and we get the result. 2u plus 1 times u minus 3. Finally, we substitute back. Replace every u with 2y minus 1. Be careful here. In the first term, the 2 multiplies the entire group 2y minus 1. Distribute that 2 to get 4y minus 2, then add the 1. In the second group, just combine negative 1 and negative 3. The final answer is 4y minus 1 times 2y minus 4. There are 2 big mistakes to avoid. First, never stop at the U step. If your answer has a U in it, you aren't finished. Second, be careful with distribution when substituting back. If there is a number in front of U, it must multiply everything inside the substitution. To summarize, identify the repeated expression, substitute it with U to make the math simple, factor that simple equation, and always remember to substitute the original expression back in at the end. Keep practicing spotting these patterns, and you will master this technique in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.